In all honesty, this isn't the jolliest video on our website, but it's important stuff that if you do some planning now might save you a lot of time and trouble further down the line. We'll be looking at the end of life, power of attorney, wills and living wills. We've put lots of links below to websites that give you more information. It's a good idea to get a lasting power of attorney or an LPA. This allows you to decide in advance who you'd want to make decisions on your behalf if you can no longer make them. Someone you trust to do the right thing for you. This person is called your attorney and you can appoint more than one. In England there are two types of LPA, one for property and finances and one for health and welfare. With the property and finance one, your attorney can start doing things as soon as the LPA is registered. But for the health and welfare, they can only take over once you are deemed to have lost mental capacity, as it's called. Can you believe there are 31 million adults in the UK who don't have a will, but lots of people find it comforting to know it's all taken care of and that their estate will go where they want? You can buy DIY will writing kits for a few pounds, but we recommend going to a professional who will make sure it's all done properly, especially if you've been married before or you've got children from a previous relationship. A simple will done by a solicitor costs £150 to £250. Will Aid Month in November of each year is when some solicitors will write your will in exchange for a donation to charity. That's usually a bit cheaper. Some larger charities will write your will for free. Well, not really for free, but in exchange for leaving them a legacy. Last of all, you might have heard of something called a living will. In law, that's called an advanced decision, and it lets you express your wishes to refuse certain medical treatments in future, even if doing so might lead to your death. For example, some people might choose not to be resuscitated. It is legally binding, so the healthcare staff caring for you must follow your instructions. It is best to seek legal advice if you're thinking about an advanced decision, especially if you already have an LPA for health and welfare in place, as they can clash with each other. Do bear in mind that you don't have to have any of these things in place, but we strongly recommend at least a power of attorney and a will.